arukuhendera kiterane ekimazire biro mushanju hari Bishop Stewart University atitwa mu Ruhanga nasana rusengwa moti yagira ngo umuntu kutunga embabazi za Ruhanga ngo ayine kwesasira no kusasira batahibe kandi agarukane nabo.
He had to go back and face his shame, face to face with his shame. Now, while Paul met him in Rome and preached to him, and he repented and he became a Christian and began to do good works in Rome.
Samuel Bakutana, president wa Fathers Union, Omureeberezi bwa Kampala, yahiga bikirizo gukora birungi, ebibarije kubijikira.
Aha kikwatire n'ekigambo omukurro ningashi legacy being remembered ekibaru kwija kwijukiraho. Abantu boko banza naba bari kwija kwijuka ahabwe birungi bibakoze omubwire bwawe nko mwebembezi echanga cyawe kikatunguka.
They will come here very soon here. I've been campaigning with the bishops that they should also pass it as law that to become a reverend in the church you should have a degree, and we need those PhDs to teach those degrees.
Professor John Mugisha, Vice Chancellor wa BSU, yes, abatebekanise kiterane eki agumize mu chweri itendekero okushohoza abeegi bo mugashombyo mu.
Ibintu tugaruka tuburire njiri abantu tumanya ngo hatari umuntu kwe kwasa Ruhanga no kwinuka akagaruka busya ngo rukwikiza Kristo ngo mujunu wamagarage ibindi byona nibimuguriro mugasho ngo ni kimwe bitu gukora no kutaho entekateka yo kuburire njiri.
Abantu 91 nibo bayakira Yesu Kristo uwo mujunu wabo. Omakuru agandi Bishop Nathan Ibrahim owa Desta Cathedral Church muri Mbarara yayigabanya by'obutegeki ahandengo zona okutamani omukorera abantu kandi behare ntare zitine muho.
I repent of my sins. I leave the past behind me.
Oguyaba ryo mukushaba kweri izoba okwahikamu n'abanyadini ku rugo muri USA.
The moment he started putting his eyes on the struggle. Too many times we keep our eyes on the struggle.
Abana banyu bari mbagaruka amashomero nimuza kubasibira intanda nimuza kubasibira ibintu bingi reka tubasibire na Yesu omugutera noru oraiza kwa riboma ground. Message yanjye abana banyu abasigazi banyu mbari ibiri nyamazo muri Agipu bagaruka bari mu madanso mu mabara bona bagaruka mu ishomero n'amabara umutwe bagaruka mu ishomero n'amadanso mureke bagaruka mu ishomero bine Yesu mu mitima yabo.
Your calling has not been put on pause. Just because you're going through something. You still have a calling. You still have a way forward. You still have a God who loves you.
Makuraga gashakwa Edson Kinene na Ali Waswa.